Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idiom 74. Today the idiom is to be rolling in the aisles. Yeah, I have heard this one a lot. Let's look at the note. This idiom is used to express the idea that some form of entertainment, a movie, a play, a stand-up comedian, anything like that, in a theater, club, etc., had someone laughing an extreme amount throughout the whole performance. They're laughing like, ah, ha, 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 ah, ha, ha, ha. So much. I mean, what the idea is that you're laughing so much, it's like you practically fall out of your seat and started rolling down the aisles. That's the idea, that it was so funny, it's almost like that. So we always use it to express an extreme idea that something made you laugh a great amount. All right, let's take a look at the examples here. That latest Jim Carrey movie had us rolling in the aisles. Yeah, you could say that. We definitely use it about movies. Or number two, I couldn't stop laughing at that stand-up comedian's jokes. He really had us rolling in the aisles. Okay, good, great. I hope you got it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.